I tell you, grossest body is the weakest. Subtle body is very strong. But the strongest is this causal body. The strongest, it is very difficult to change samskar. Thoughts you can change for some time. Only this thought is coming. Let us substitute the thought. Okay, substituted the thought with something else. But that samskar of that thing won't go by substitution of thought. Problem is this. You know, sometimes children are there. They cry, so we give them something, chocolate, etc. So his thought is diverted. But that samskar won't go. It is difficult to change the samskar. Because Sati ji did tapasya to become Parvati. Right? You all know the story. Otherwise you read the book Finding Shiva. But after hundreds of years also, she had the same question. That who is the son of the ordinary king who is crying for his wife? How can he be the Brahman? Well, after death also subtle body is fine. I mean gross body, when this causal body is, it won't change us. Therefore in Bhagavad one shlok comes, मन एव मनुष्यस्य पूर्ण रूपाणि शंसस्य. बोले the mind alone tells what he was in the last birth. Paschat, and what he will become next birth also. You can make it out that this person was like this in the last birth, or he will be like this in the next birth also. Very difficult to change. Some stains are too deep. And therefore, please give space to others to change. It won't happen fast. वो नेचर है, वो बदलेगा नहीं आसान. Therefore, भगवान had to desperately say सदृशम चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतेर ज्ञानवान्. Only he acts as per his nature only. He acts as per his own स्वभाव only. ये ऐसा मामला है, बड़ा बहुत डिफिकल्ट. You really need. Therefore, one shlok comes in Manusmriti. It says, Adbhigatrani shuddhyante. Body is washed by the water. If you want to clean the body, you have to use water. Okay? Sponge won't work. Adbhigatrani shuddhyante. Mana satyan shuddhyante. Man is purified by satyan means sankalp, right thoughts. Vidya tapobhyam bhutatma. This jeev is purified by tapasya. Tapasya is required because you want to change samskar. Samskar changing is possible only when you do austerity. Buddhir jnanena shuddhyate. The intellect is purified by the knowledge. Some wrong samskar is there, it won't go unless you go through austerity. Which we saw in our last yajna. Vishwamitra ji was there. Many of you were not here. There I mean. Therefore I am just saying. Vishwamitra. So he had two strong samskar. Ahankar was terrible, anger was terrible, and complex was there. That why I am not the Brahmarshi and Vasishti is the Brahmarshi. This inferiority was there. Oh my God. You read 15 chapters are there in Varmika. But he realized that this is, I am failing, I am faltering, and he did tremendous things. But it can be changed. Same Vasishji whom he was very angry on. he became very close to later on. Same guy who had terrible ahankar, now he had lost his ahankar. So when we will leave the body, this internal causal body will not die in pralaya also. You know, in Bhagavad it comes, Narad Ji is there. Narad Ji was a Dasi Putra. He was the son of a maid servant. You know, in his house, saints came. So he used to serve the saints and eat the leftover with their permission. Is also it. Not that he ate without asking. So after eating and after hearing to their satsang, he got very purified. So after that, I am continuing the story short, topic is different. He had vision of God for some time. And after that he couldn't get. So God said, and you cannot see me. Your mind is not that pure. So next, and after that was the last kalp of Kali Yuga, he died, and after that he went to the whole dissolution. Pralaya was there. And after Pralaya, again he was born, but he had a bhakti samskar, and therefore he was born as a Narad now. So there is a samskar preservation system. Even if you sleep for days, you will get up with your own samskar. Doctor won't forget that I was what I was. So various samskars are there. Function is thought ejection. With external situation or without external situation. I hope you are getting my point. I was very quietly sitting. Very quietly. But he said something to bring out my anger. I was not saying anything. He only did something. That samskar which was hidden without thought, he made it with thought. So samskar, he brought out my samskar. Thought my mind. It can be good also. Sumati kumati sabake ur rahi. Supposing you have love for Lord Krishna. You must be having love by your Hindus. You have a lot of loves. So right now that love is not. Somebody started talking about Lord Krishna's Leela. So just because you had samskar, it will bring out some very good samskar. That samskar is ejecting the thought about Lord. But sometimes without outer situation also, you are sitting in your room quietly. Automatically some samskar can eject the thought without somebody doing anything. And this will force a person, wherever you are today, who brought you here? Flyer. No, not flyer. that your samskar, your thought brought you, and thought was guided by the samskar. Who takes anybody to the drinking booth? Samskar. Drinking booth, गलत बोल दिया क्या? Liquor shop बोलते हैं. Liquor shop. Who takes you to the temple now? Samskar. Who takes you to the teacher? Samskar or learning, serving. बोले चलते उनके कुछ सेवा करेंगे, कुछ सीखेंगे. From far away people come. People go to moon. Who took to the moon? Samskar took to the moon. This Armstrong, who went to the moon also. Who takes you to America and England? गए वहाँ घूमने घामने के लिए. I'm going there for holiday. Tour is there, Europe, America. अफ्रीका में तो कुछ नहीं। People come from Europe to visit Africa. Africa is a very good tourism area. South Africa especially. Kenya is there. क्या है Masa? Masai Mara is there. Kenya. Big safari is there. Kilimanjaro is there. Mounts where Stanley climbed also. How people go there? Adventure is. Who took you? Samskar. Who brought you? Samskar. Who comes to Samskar? I will now live my life. I am giving my life for study of scripture, serving my teacher. हम तो जीवन ही देने जा रहे हैं। अच्छा, हाँ. Go and marry, wife. Have a nice married life. Some boy will be there for you, some girl will be there for you. He will pamper you or she will pamper you if you are fortunate. Live with them. Every day you will get nice food. As you get the food you will like. You will get nice, whatever you will get. You will get up on time, whatever you want to sleep. You sleep, you watch television. Achha? And you can attend marriages, you can have children, 2 children, you can easily have 3 children, you can have 1 boy, 1 girl. Achha, you can play with them day and night. They will comb your hair, put finger in your ear. Nice clothes you can put on, pant, shirt or sari, etc. Whatever is there. You can go in the parties, you go see beach. Independent you are. Why you are giving your life to the mission? You are becoming sannyasi unnecessarily. You are going to the mission. You are offering yourself. You become brahmachari, brahmacharini, swami. Food is also not in your control. Somebody else control. Same food is there. Nothing, you can't say to the kitchen, go and make this today for me. Unnecessarily issue will become all around. You can't say I want this hot dog. You can't say I want some noodles, etc. Something of my dish, my choice, I want something. You can't say that I want to go to outing for some. Wherever Swami is there, I have to be there. No, I want to visit Masai Mara. Marega Mara. Nothing is there. Forget about any good thing. Why? Samskar is there. What? Living is best. न कर्मणा न प्रजया धने न त्यागे नैके अमृतत्वमानशुः. I don't like anything. Good food, good traveling, good clothes, nice jhumka would be there here. When these girls come for brahmachari, first thing they have to take out all their ornament. No jhumka is there, no earring what you have to take out every time. No necklace is there. No nice bangles are there, golden khan, nothing is there. And no, no. Nahin. Why? This body is not great. That body's identification which I am living, I should decorate that. What will you do? Whole day, what you will do? Puja, japa. Whole day? Here to satsang. Do some selfless seva. Whole day? No, not whole day, whole life. No house. I hardly visit. I don't know where my house is also. I forgot also many times. And don't think they are happy. Don't think they are not happy. Or they are missing the house. If anybody has samskar, you have to take back to the house or back to the club, etc. Again you will go back. And some people will go back because that samskar is very strong. And nobody can stop anybody. Who can force you to come here? Who can force you to attend lecture every day or only hit you every day? I'll come to the house. It is your choice to come and your choice not to come. The spirituality you can't force anybody on. Samskar is there, no. I have discovered my renunciation alone is joy. I have discovered serving of the teacher alone is the joy. Serving the Lord, doing puja alone is the joy. नहीं चाहिए कुछ. वेदांत वाक्येषु सदारमंत भिक्षान्न मात्र च तुष्टिमंत अशोकवंत कर्मैकवंत कौपीनवंत खलु भाग्यवंत. Well, who is fortunate? Who has a lion plant and he sits under a tree. वो कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं. ना ताली नहीं चाहिए उसको, शाबाशी नहीं चाहिए, वेरी गुड, वो भी नहीं चाहिए. बोले भिक्षा में क्या? बोले भिक्षा में जो मिल जाए, स्टमक हैव टू फिल दैट. वो ना मिले तो भी ठीक. If you don't get all, yes. I did not get twice food today. How you got once? Once is an eye for tea. Next time water is. Water is a capacity to it can quieten your stomach for some. अच्छा है भगवान. With whom you have to live? Nobody. I don't have to live with anybody. I want to be detached. इतना होता है संस्कार detachment. Samskar, I'm telling about samskar. The sanskar of a sannyasi is such. If he feels I'm getting attached, he gets mad. He will leave the place, or he will be doing tremendous sadhana after that. Because the samskar is such. He will wander from one place to another place. In India, Ganges are there. He'll sit near Ganges. Ganga ji के पास ही मजा आता है. He'll do meditation. Ordinary person can't sit also. He'll sit for hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. Puri Baba used to sit for 12 hours without budging the body. Here's samskar. So they are the silent controller of this life, and they will take you to the next life. Jad Bharat got attached with the deer. That samskar came, and that samskar made him deer. When he died, because the samskar of deer was very prominent, so next birth he became deer. Please careful, cat lovers. There are many cat lovers in our ashram. They play with the cat. Some name is also given, I don't know what name is. Because so मान लो supposing you are playing with the cat. Katakar vritti. At that time prana goes out. What is the cat now? So next birth, rest is understood. But only good point is because you are living in the ashram, you will also become ashram cat. Others will play with you. And that cat has brahmachari kar or brahmacharina kar vritti. Maybe that cat will become brahmachari and it will play with you. Anyway. These dog lovers and cat lovers, I have respect for all the animals. They should not be disturbed. We should feed them. But to day and night cuddle them and keep them and put in my bed and walk with them and make ice cream eat for a seeker. नहीं प्यार करो थोड़ा सा, ऐसा नहीं. You should not. You should love them. You should take care. But don't get over involved. Love everybody from a distance, that whenever you want you can leave that person. Whenever you want you can walk tall. इस संस्कार की ऐसी महिमा है. Person knows this is wrong, still he can't leave it. अनिच्छन अभिभाषण बलादिव नहीं होता. He knows this is wrong. What I am doing is wrong. But that samskar will make you do wrong repeatedly. उसको पता है कि हम गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं. He can't stop. This is the function of the causal body. Understanding among the three, gross body तो बहुत बेचारी weak है. ये क्या करेगी? इसको तो whole there run that producer director is there. नहीं तो actor है बेचारी. By changing the hardware, you can't change the computer. Real thing is saw which Windows is there. Latest which one is there, right? 8, 10. अच्छा 10 is there. हमको तो I am very ignorant. वो main चीज तो वो अंदर वाली चीज. Last portion is what is the nature. Nature. I'll conclude because today is the office day. Nature. It is longest life. Nature is anirvachaniyam. कारण शरीरम किम अनिर्वचनीय अनाद्य विद्या रूपम शरीरद्वयस्य कारण मात्रम. It is अनिर्वचनीय, inexplicable. Oh, this is a technical word again. Don't translate by reading dictionary. Somebody was reading Vedanta with the dictionary. Dictionary you can't read Vedanta. You can't read the Vedanta has a specific meaning. Anirvachaniya means sad asad vilakshanam. Sad asadbhyam vilakshanam. It is different than existence and different than non-existence. That which cannot be categorically stated. That which cannot be categorically stated. It is existing, you cannot say. Why? Because it is ignorance. It is not existing, you cannot say, because whole fruit is seen all around. Karm phal isi ka beta hai. Our life isi ka beta. As I do actions, this causal body brings out the desire, desire brings out the action, action brings out the fruit of action. So fruit of action, mind, nature, all this is decided by this Maharani ji यहाँ sitting. पीछे बैठी चुपचाप. आज दिन भर परेशान करेंगे थोड़ा सा. हैं? क्या बोला? It may trouble. अच्छा बोलिए. Some thoughts it will bring you trouble. I don't know. You have to be careful. And therefore, the difficult part of sadhana is of changing the samskar, changing the impression, or at least that impression which is not great, at least not allowing it to come out frequently. Do something about it. I have impression, I accept the impression is there, but I won't allow it to come out. So and it comes out. It's such a high jet frequency is there. You cannot stop it. You know, there is a jet cleaner. What is it called? Hyper cleaner. High pressure. I have seen here. I have lived in India. High pressure cleaner. You can't stop that. If you throw on somebody, you get hurt also. So high pressure cleaner is there to clean the grooves, etc. The high pressure thought is there, you cannot stop it if it comes out. As long as anger is coming, you can stop. When it has already come, it can't stop. देखो गुस्सा आ रहा है, ये चल चुका है. It has started. You can still stop. But आ गया, it has already come. Now it is out of control. You could have treated it earlier also. So some thoughts are, when samskar is not strong, it is slow thought, manageable, controllable thought. But some thought, if it is, samskar is very deep, it is non-manageable. It multiplies very fast with high speed, uncontrollable. So this is the causal body. Gross body, evident to you also, others also. Subtle body, evident to you, not evident to others. Causal body, not evident to you also, not to others. ये तीन बॉडी हमारे पास है. अरे what is so close to you, be aware about that. Otherwise they will loot us. We'll conclude.